In this video, we will go through how to navigate the Favorites toolbar and the Tasks menu. To get us ready for upcoming tasks, let's take a look at how to access various calculations in BioLuminate. Above the workspace, you can see what is called the Favorites toolbar. This is a quick and easy way to open applications in BioLuminate that you use frequently. Several favorites appear by default, like Protein Preparation Workflow and the Multiple Sequence Viewer Editor. You are also able to customize the Favorites toolbar to include the applications of your choice. We will be covering that shortly. In the top right of the BioLuminate interface, you will see the Tasks button. This is where you can go to access all the applications and calculations within BioLuminate. You can either search with a keyword, at which point any panels matching that keyword will be listed, or you can browse. Hover over Biologics, and you can navigate by the type of biologics-focused task you're looking for. Go ahead and find the Structure Reliability Report, third down in the middle row. Hover over Structure Reliability Report so it is highlighted blue, and then click the outline of the star to the left of it. This is how you add an application to your Favorites toolbar. You can see that the Structure Reliability Report now appears in your Favorites toolbar. Likewise, you can click again in the star to remove it from your Favorites toolbar. You can also right-click on the button in the toolbar itself to delete it or rename it. Let's leave the Structure Reliability Report as a favorite. The Job Monitor, which we will introduce later, is where you will be able to track the progress of any jobs that you launch from the BioLuminate interface. You should now know how to find the different calculations and applications in BioLuminate by either searching or browsing, and how to add to your Favorites toolbar.